Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Friday, January 11th, 2019. And I just posted a bunch of signals actually in my Telegram signal group, okay? And majority of them for Great British Pound related. So I want to share with you this one right here called Pound CAD, Pound Canadian Dollar, and it's a sell. If we look over the chart, okay, we see that we do have a red arrow. Alright, and just a few hours ago we had a bullish arrow. Now I added a stochastic oscillator just to see kind of what the market is doing. It's overbought, oversold, and of course right now it is at the 80% level, and it looks like it's getting ready to go down. But what I want you to look at is not so much that, but look at the higher time frames. If we look at the 4 hour, we see that we have a up arrow right here on the ultimate signal. And if we add the histogram, okay, if I go back to the histogram like it's supposed to, we see that it is definitely getting ready to form a bullish market. Alright, meaning the long term is going to be going up over the next several days. Alright, if we look at the daily, alright, it's a little bit different story. We have red and red, but we notice that it's hitting this area of support where it hit before. Alright, right now there is no green arrow, and since today's Friday and we're going into Monday over the weekend, I think it will be Monday before this forms a green arrow. Or what could happen is it could retrace up a ways and come back down and come further down to where this level was before down here. I can draw a horizontal line right here on this mark. It will go up a ways, come back down to this level, and then form a green arrow. Alright, we look at the weekly. Alright, it's also showing bearish, but if I zoom in a little bit, we see that it's hitting this, almost hitting this area of support that it hit before. So for right now, I think it's going to be bullish. Alright, I think it's going to be bullish for the next few days, and then eventually retrace and come back down. So what I would do right now, if we go to the 1 hour chart, it's showing bearish. Alright, it's most likely it will shoot down, but it's going to an uptrend, so it's going to shoot back up, and we want to catch it on the rebound as it goes back up. So how we do this is use a buy limit pending order, okay? All you have to do is, I would draw a horizontal line right here on this level of support. Alright. And this, I'm hoping that the price will come down right about there and then shoot back up again. It may not come down that far. Matter of fact, I might want to raise it up a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to use that as my area of support. And what I'm going to do is go over to new order, and it should have buy limit already selected. I'm going to choose pending order and adjust my lot size. And then right here, I'm going to put 1.68. I'm going to make it even put 400, okay? It's real close to 400 already. And then for take profit, I'm going to put 1.68. I can only put 6.9. And then place that. Alright. Now this right here is the entry point for my pending order, the buy limit. And this right here is the take profit. If we look at here, I got 600 pips. Alright. $22 profit. So that's very, very easy way to get 600 pips off of this. You could get a lot more. If you go to the 4 hour chart and look at this, it's really not that much. You could get 1,000, maybe even 2,000 pips, but why be greedy? If it comes down, goes back up, eventually it's going to shoot down even further. Alright, based on my predictions. Okay, I could be totally wrong. It could go into to an uptrend for the next few months. So it's hard to say for sure. But the fact that there is no green arrow right now on the daily or weekly, signifies that it's going to shoot down. Even if it goes back up a ways, it will shoot down further. Alright, so this right here is a pretty safe bet, and this is how I would trade this particular trade. Catch it on the rebound. You could also, if in case this keeps shooting up and up and up and never comes back down, you could also place a buy stop pending order and just place this a ways up, not too much further, but 1.69, say 800, and then for take profit I could put 1.70500 maybe, and this way this would give me about 700 pips. I don't even have to go that much, but I could do it like that much. If we look at the daily, we see that if this in fact does keep going up and up, I could catch that, alright, on the way up. And the 4-hour chart is definitely looking like it's going to be going up. So either way, I want to catch this, okay? So let me know if this helps you any. Let me know how you would trade this particular trade. Feel free to send me a message on Facebook, and let me know if you have any questions or comments. I'll be happy to help you. There's a link below in the description of this video for my personal Facebook account. Also, there's a link below for my private Facebook group. If you have not joined my Facebook group, please do so. And also, if you have not joined my Telegram Signal group, please do so. I post around 15, sometimes even as high as 20 signals per day. Yesterday was a very slow day. Today is the pretty heavy day, moving along pretty nice. So, and things are starting to pick up now as I move into the New York session. So I do predict a lot more signals to come out in the next few hours. So with that said, I hope you have a wonderful day, and just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.